Smokey is the best.
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. We are in Italy at the EICMA at the Fiera Milano. Something like that, I have no idea. But all the brand new motorcycles for 2024 are inside of this building, so let's check it out. Come with me, I will show you everything. From the new Royal Enfield to the new KTMs. There's a lot going on. Yeah. That's it. Now they just had a press conference at Royal Enfield because new Himalayan is there. Let's check it out. Look at that, we got a white one over here. It looks way more modern and not as retro looking anymore.
Why?
It's also got a new digital gauge, water-cooled engine now, 40 horsepower. Nice. Himalayan Rally, look at that. Woo-hoo. That's a Smokey special. Now the guys from 1000 PS are also behind me. I'm gonna be in their footage. And also a fun fact to know, this is the Royal Enfield Him E. Yeah, probably going to be a fully electric Himalayan. Nice. Now don't worry, it is not that bad. Electrical motorcycles are kind of chill to ride actually, I'm not gonna lie. Don't desubscribe, don't unsubscribe because I say that electric motorcycles are pretty fun. But anyway, that's Royal Enfield. Let's go to Ducati. Yeah, quick pit stop at Brembo. Pretty fancy costumes at Brembo, I have to say. Fancy. Italian. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the Multistrada RS. Yeah. When I was last riding the Multistrada, I actually said that they should put like the Panigale engine and the Street Fighter engine in the Multistrada, make it a little bit lighter, and I would buy it. I didn't quite expect that like a week or two later they would actually bring this one out. Yeah. This thing looks so good. Starting price, 37,490 euros. 225 kilogram, that's pretty nice. But it's got that Decimo Cedici engine. I do like that. Anyway, what's up next?
Writing means looking for emotions to curve after curve, slide out. All the options to run them one by one.
And also a couple of weeks ago they brought out the Grand Tour, a more touring version of the Multistrada, which was actually already a touring bike, but such a good look. Such a good looking bike. Golly. God dang it. Of course, also one of my favorites, Multistrada Rally. We turn to the right, look at that. Multistrada Pikes Peak. Now this was loved by many, probably until the RS version came out. But I do like the color scheme of this one. And stay tuned because at 5 p.m. this evening, Ducati is going to pull off some covers. Should I pull off some covers already? No. I'll never ride a Ducati yet again. Now, if you really want to know what tickles my balls, it's this one. Golly.
Brutta gente si incontra.
I'm getting pushed by some Italians here. And of course the casual Desert X with the rally version in the back. I will show that in a second as well. Ducati Desert X Rally. I do like the looks of this one. Look at that. God dang it. Ducati is like really building awesome looking bikes. I've not taken this one out yet. I've taken the rally out, but woo-hoo. God dang it, Ducati. You guys are building a lot of cool stuff lately. Look at that dirt bike fender. Starting price, 22,490 euros. Ducati 698 Hypermotor R. So yeah, this is a V4 SP2 Unica spec. So you can actually totally spec out your Ducati yourself. So for example, if you buy like a yellow Lamborghini in this color, you can also get like this Ducati in the same colors. Nice. Now that is that for Ducati. Last look at the RS. So later on today in the video, we're coming back to reveal 3 brand new Ducatis. 3, that is nice. So yeah, now we're going heading over to Honda, who is not giving me a motorcycle yet. I'm not allowed into the press fleet. Please Honda, give me some motorcycles. Now on my way to Honda, I'm actually walking through Zontes. There's actually some motorcycle brands I haven't really heard of. What is Zontes? Oh, not bad. Now in Belgium there's also a lot of woke nonsense going on. Putting hot girls on motorcycles is just not done anymore where I live. But in Italy, screw that. Ciao.
Ciao.
That's the only Italian I know. Ciao. And there's like a lot going to happen in a couple of minutes because, well, the cover is already half off of this one. We got a cover over there, cover over there. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 covers here. We got some covers over there. There's like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What the? We got like 20 covers at Honda. What's going to happen here? I do have to say that is one good looking motorcycle. Look at that. Nice. Too bad Honda is not giving me any motorcycles. What's going on over here? Don't make your wife see that. Bruh. And what is your job this weekend? Well, my job is actually being on the back with an Italian girl and a Honda Africa Twin. Starting to pull off the covers here. Look at that. Damn! No Fireblade. Oh yeah. I know you guys like that. My name's Jeff. They also just pulled the cover of the new Honda E-clutch engine. Look at that. But there is like something very big on the clutch. And a lot of gearings as well. Look at that. So it's called the E-clutch. I don't really feel it, but something to do with the clutch. Imagine if Honda would go woke and put like transgender men on these motorcycles. That would be hilarious.
What's your real name?
Joselito.
Wait, are they? Oh shit, it's about to go down. I thought it was about to go down at Honda, but they just pulled off the covers and that's it. So let's head over to Triumph. For no reason at all, but I want to take this one for a spin as well. Tiger GT Pro. Tiger Rally Pro. Very nice colors though. Nice. Of course, the Tiger Sport. You guys know I'm a little bit more into the adventure motorcycles, so yeah, this is more my style. And of course the Tiger Rally Pro 1200. Not really sure if that's the lady for Triumph, but maybe. I'm not sure what's going on here, but these Chinese ladies are really taking pictures close up from the indicators and all the lights. So they might be making them in China soon. I don't know. Now that is that for Triumph. Let's head over to some other brands. No idea what they're saying, but that dude on the right just pulled the cover of the top box behind the other dude, the white one. Look at that. Yeah. Got like a whole team, a lot of people around it, fancy costumes, and he pulls the cover off a top case. The dude standing around it with like a 25,000 euro camera. That's nice. Just a quickie on the Zero stand. Yeah, electrical ones. I'm really sorry, really sorry. The SRX. Believe it or not, I did have a good time on that motorcycle. Really silent, pretty fast, and just comfort and just silence. I know I'm starting to sound woke, but it does feel kind of good. Now, if this is your ambulance guy and you crash 200 kilometers away from him, yeah, you're probably going to be in trouble, but he's probably not gonna make it. Now I have to go back to the petrol brands, or you guys are going to desubscribe and don't want to lose any subscribers. Make sure you subscribe if you do like this video already.
That whole Tron thing going on.
I have no idea what's going on here, but there's like a food corner here. He stepped in some dog shit for some reason. Now there is a lot of Indian brands going on as well over here. There's some Chinese brands going on over here. And yeah, the Chinese are actually taking over. They're like really taking over the big brands. That was flashy. Now that is nice.
Smokey is the best.
I always loved Malossi as a kid. Tire warmers, just if you're a little bit more special. Like I said, there is so many brands here, and most of them are like Chinese that I've never heard of before, but they kind of make cool stuff. Reliability, I don't know, but you know. That looks hella fun though. This brand is called Italian Volt. What in the world?